Hello, you're welcome. In this problem, we are given this fractional equation and we are asked to solve for the value of x. So now as we can see that we are having the denominators x and 2. So what we need to do is to see how we can clear the fraction. So what we are going to do, we take the LCM. The LCM is 2x. So I'm going to multiply the 2x by all the times of the of the equation, like this. Okay, then 3 times 2x. Are you getting it? So that is what I'm going to do. So now from there, you can see that this x, we cancel this x. 2 times 1, we have 2, plus this, we cancel this. X times x, we're going to have x squared, then equals 3 times this is going to give us 6x. So now we can see that I've clearly cleared the fractions. Then from there, the next thing we are going to do, we're going to rewrite this equation. So now by transposing 6x to the left hand side, it's going to be minus 6x, then plus 2 is there already, then equals 0. So we have this equation here, so which is a quadratic equation. So now from here, so what we need to do is to see how we can get the value of the value of x. So now here, the best method we can use is our quadratic formula. So we are going to compare what is the constant coefficient of x squared is 1, the constant coefficient of x is minus 6, which is b. So that is b is minus 6, and the constant coefficient, the constant term, which is c, is 2. Now from there, we're going to use the quadratic formula that says x equals minus b plus or minus, then b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So now from here, we are going to put all these value into this. So we have x equals minus, what is b? B is minus 6, we have minus 6 plus or minus, then here I have b minus 6 squared, that's going to give us 36 minus 4, then multiply by a is 1, then c is 2, then all divided by 2 times 1. So we have x equals, so minus times minus, we're going to have 6 plus or minus, then the square root of 36 minus 36 minus 4 times 2, that is 8, then divided by 2. Now 36 minus 8, that will go to give us 28. We have x equals 6 plus or minus the square root of 28, then divided by 2. Now we can write this as x equals 6 plus or minus. Now we can split 28 into 4 multiplied by 7 all over all over 2. Okay, so now from there, so we have x equals 6 plus or minus, then the square root of, okay, let me write it again, 4.7 all over 2. So we have x equals 6 plus or minus, the square root of 4 is 2 root 7, then divided by 2. Are you following? So now from there, what do you have? So we're going to see that from here, we have x equals, so now what is common here? You can see 2 is common, I can take 2 out. We have 3 plus or minus, this as we cancel out, this divided by this, we're going to be left with root 7, then divided by 2. So now as you can see, you see this 2, we cancel this 2. Are you following? Then from there, we are going to have x to be equals 3 plus or minus root 7. So we have the value of x to be x1 equals 3 plus root 7. Okay, then taking the second value, okay, we're going to have x2 equals 3 negative root 7. So these are the solution to the problem. Okay, So now if you're enjoying the class and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.